Imagine mastering electrical safety without the real-world risk. That's what Companions delivers with our immersive VR training. We transform how workers spot hazards, from frayed wires to overloaded circuits, before disaster strikes. Step into virtual scenarios where you'll learn to select proper PPE, execute lockout tagout procedures, and respond to emergencies with confidence. Every interaction builds muscle memory for when it really counts. Our technically accurate training meets industrial standards while giving your team hands-on experience in a zero-consequence environment. They'll practice de-energizing equipment, performing safety checks, and handling electrical emergencies safely. Electrical accidents are preventable. Companions VR training helps make sure they never happen on your watch. Ready to power up your safety culture? Contact us today because protecting your workforce shouldn't be shocking. Your team deserves better than learning the hard way.